Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do Sound English book task of day 9. We will revise page number 19. So let's start. Sounds with E. Today we will read sounds with E. Look at the first column. E, B. When we combine these two sounds E, B, it will become ib. So let's join the sound ib with other sounds to make new words. Look at the first word. B, ib, bib. F, ib, fib. N, ib, nib. Last word is r, ib, rib. Come to the next column. We are combining sound of e, d, id. When we combine these two sounds, it will become a single sound id. So let's join the sound id with some other sounds to make new words. Let's read this column. B, id, bid. D, id, did. H, id, hid. K, id, kid. L, id, lid. R, id, rid. Now start third column. Here are two sounds E, G, ig. When we combine these sounds, it will become single sound ig. So we will join the sound ig with other sounds to make new words. Let's start column. B, ig, big. D, ig, dig. F, ig, fig. J, ig, jig. W, ig, wig. Now let's revise these three columns again. Ib, ib. B, ib, ib. F, ib, fib. N, ib, nib. R, ib, rib. Come to the next column. Id. The sound is id. Look at the first word. B, id, bid. D, id, did. H, id, hid. K, id, kid. L, id, lid. R, id, rid. Third column is ig. This sound is ig. B, ig, big. D, ig, dig. F, ig, fig. J, ig, jig. W, ig, wig. So let's start column number 4. Yes, what is the sound? E, m, im. E, m, im. Let's join the sound im with other sounds. D, im, dim. H, im, him. R, im, rim. Let's repeat it. E, m, im. Im sound we will join with other sounds to make different words. D, im, dim. H, im, him. R, im, rim. Come to the next column. E, n, in. The sound is E, n, in. Let's join the sound in with other sounds to make new words. B, in, bin. D, in, din. F, in, fin. P, in, pin. S, in, sin. Th, in, tin. Last word is w, in, win. Let's revise it. In, b, in, bin. D, in, din. F, in, fin. P, in, pin. S, in, sin. T, in, tin. W, in, win. Come to the next column. It is the sound of ip. When we combine the sound of E and P, it will become E, P, ip. So let's join ip sound with other sounds. D, ip, dip. H, ip, hip. L, ip, lip. N, ip, nip. Z, ip, zip. Let's repeat it. Ip, D, ip, dip. H, ip, hip. L, ip, lip. N, ip, nip. Z, ip, zip. Come to the last and seventh column. It is the sound of it. When we combine the sound of E and T, it will become it. So let's join the sound it with other sounds. First word is B, it, bit. F, it, fit. H, it, hit. K, it, kit. L, it, lit. Let's repeat it. B, it, bit. F, it, fit. H, it, hit. K, it, L, it, lit. Now we will do this activity. Find these words in the list above. Look at the pictures and find these words in the list given above. What is in the first picture? Yes, it's a baby. And what he is having in his neck? Yes, it's a bib. He is wearing a bib. So let's find the word bib. Yes, here it is in the first line. First word is b-ib, bib. We have found the word in the sound of ib. B-ib, bib. Circle the word bib. Now look at the next picture. What is it? It's a zip. So where we can find the word zip? In the sounds of ip. So look at the column of ip. Yes, here it is. The last word is zip, zip. Circle the word zip, zip. Next picture is of lip. So where we can find the word lip? Yes, in the column of sound ip. Let's find the word. Yes, the third word is lip. Circle the word lip, 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 lip. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a hip. So we will find it again in the sound of ip. Yes, here it is. The second word is her ip, hip. Circle the word her ip. Now come to the last picture. Yes, what is it? It's a fish. And what it is having? It is having fins. So we will find the word fin. Arrow is towards fin. So let's find the word fin. Where we can find the word fin? Yes, in the column of sound in. So let's check the column of in. Yes, here it is. The third word is in fin. In fin. So circle the word fin. In fin. So students, it was your today's activity task. After circling all these words, so let's start reading some words with sound E. Look at the first word of column number 1. N, ib, nib. W, in, win. S, it, sit. Z, ip, zip. Look at second column. B, ib, bib. W, it, wit. T, in, tin. R, ip, rip. Now come to the third column. L, id, lid. P, it, pit. L, ip, lip. H, ip, hip. Now come to the next column. B, ig, big. K, id, kid. P, in, pin. T, in, tin. Next column. F, in, fin. D, ig, dig. S, in, sin. B, it, bit. Last column. N, it, knit. F, ig, fig. S, ix, six. T, ip, tip. So students, let's revise it again. Start from first column. N, ib, nib. W, in, win. S, it, sit. Z, ip, zip. Next column. B, ib, bib. W, it, wit. T, in, tin. R, ip, rip. Third column. L, id, lid. P, it, pit. L, ip, lip. H, ip, hip. Fourth column. B, ig, big. K, id, kid. P, in, pin. T, in, tin. Next column. F, in, fin. D, ig, dig. S, in, sin. B, it, bit. Last column. N, it, knit. F, ig, fig. S, ix, six. T, ip, tip. So revise it once again at your homes, and after completing your revision, you will say Alhamdulillah, Allah Hafiz.